Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox this. So this is the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and there is one more version of this. I think repaint of this that's from the older case, which I think I'm yet to unbox. So soon I will do that as well. So I bought this for 149, and I think this is from the P case if I'm not wrong. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions are the paint job looks good. It does have some kind of irregularities here, if you guys can see, but it does look really nice. The headlights are painted and the logos also painted. The color combination looks really nice, with the body and the chassis. And the rims looks really nice on this one. Okay, the tail lights are not even painted, it's just blank. So it's good that actually they added the rear view mirrors here. Here the chassis, and this is plastic only, it is not metal or anything because it's just a main line, and it has some good detailing to it, specifically here on the hood, the intakes and everything. That looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, that is actually very smooth. It does have some wobbles on both of the wheels, but it is not that worst. It is a bit noticeable, but it is not that worst. And it is not a very fast car to roll, but it is very smooth. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.